different levels of probation when somebody is convicted in an Arizona court. I'm attorney Kristen Curry. I'm a criminal law specialist. I've been a criminal defense attorney for the past 26 years. When somebody is convicted in any Arizona state court, one of the options possibly available is probation. There's different levels of probation. The lowest level is called summary probation, which is pretty much unsupervised probation. That happens a lot for misdemeanor type offenses. Above summary probation is supervised probation. Supervised probation means a person is going to be assigned a probation officer to their case. Now, this can occur in misdemeanor cases, but it often occurs in felony convictions. That person has a probation officer, that person meets with the probation officer, goes through the terms and conditions of probation, usually has to report to the probation officer during certain periods of time. That's called supervised probation. Now, within supervised probation, there's also different kinds of probation depending on the type of offense, such as if the person's a sex offender, they will be placed on a sex offender caseload, and the restrictions are much more for that supervised probation. Or if they have a white collar conviction involving some sort of embezzlement or something like that, they're going to be on a white collar caseload and have many more restrictions. They also have caseloads involving felony domestic violence offenses and also what's called a DUI court if it's a felony. That all comes under the umbrella of supervised probation. Now, even higher than just regular supervised probation is called intensive probation supervision, or IPS. And sometimes attorneys refer to that as in prison soon, because that's pretty much the last level of probation that a person will get before going to prison. So intensive probation supervision is usually a 9-month program. And a person has to go through very restrictive steps in intensive probation supervision, and they can earn their way back to standard probation. If they were to violate probation in intensive probation supervision, there's a good chance the person may be revoked and go to prison. If a person violates standard probation, sometimes the judge can reinstate the person to this higher level if they feel that that's appropriate. So if you have any questions about any type of probation, send us an email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to talk.